Welcome to this Absolute Beginner's Blender tutorial number 3. In this tutorial, we'll look at the two different ways of looking at the 3D world. We'll start out by maximizing the 3D panel, Control up arrow. I'll show this out of the way. We're now in the perspective view. There are two main modes, the perspective and the orthogonal. One of the features of the perspective view is that you can, by zooming, you can zoom into the object. And in the orthogonal view, if I press 5 on the num keypad, I switch to the orthogonal view. And then I can only come infinitely close. I cannot enter the object. Switch back to perspective view. To further demonstrate this, we'll switch to the top view. You do that by pressing number 7 on the num keypad. So now we're looking at this cube from the top. I'll change to the wireframe mode, and we can see how there is a vanishing point here. And it will also matter where I am relative to this cube, what it looks like. If I press Shift on the keyboard and roll the mouse wheel, I will move myself relative to the world. If I press Control, I'll slide sideways. You can see how there's a perspective view of this cube. If I change to orthogonal view, 5, and do the same thing, there's no perspective rendering. And these two features, or these two ways of viewing the world, are useful in different ways. When you do modeling, the orthogonal view is usually the preferable way. You'll discover that eventually, what you like to work with. So that concludes this tutorial. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.